Imagine waking up in a moving palace, a place where every mile feels like a 5-star destination. Today, we're not just looking at a motorhome, we're stepping into a new era of luxury travel. This is the Royale Nova 2026, a next-generation luxury motorhome designed for those who refuse to compromise. Power, elegance, innovation, all moving together on the open road. From the very first glance, it's clear this machine wasn't built for average travelers. It was created for visionaries, explorers, and people who demand the best. Now, before we go deeper, if luxury vehicles, next-gen motorhomes, and future mobility excite you, make sure you subscribe to Auto Luxee right now. We bring you premium reveals you won't find anywhere else, and trust me, what's coming next is on another level. Let's talk numbers. The Royale Nova 2026 carries an estimated price between $1.5 million and $2.4 million, depending on customization, technology upgrades, and interior specifications. But this isn't about price. It's about what that investment delivers. Under the hood, the Royale Nova is engineered for serious long-distance dominance. A powerful petrol engine combined with a massive 1,270-liter fuel capacity means fewer stops and longer journeys. This motorhome isn't afraid of continents, it's built to conquer them. Now shift your attention to the exterior. The front fascia is bold, futuristic, and commanding. A wide aerodynamic grille, advanced LED matrix headlights, sculpted body lines, every detail sends one message: presence. Wherever this motorhome arrives, attention follows. Rolling on premium alloy wheels with an advanced suspension system, the ride is smooth, stable, and effortlessly controlled. Inside the driver's cabin, technology takes over: panoramic digital displays, AI-assisted navigation, intelligent controls, and luxury steering wrapped in premium leather. This isn't driving, it's commanding. Step inside and everything changes. The interior opens into an extra-wide, open-concept living space with high ceilings and a seamless flow between areas. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Soft touch panels, refined textures, polished surfaces, every material reflects craftsmanship. Ambient LED lighting adapts day to night, creating a warm, elegant atmosphere wherever you're parked. Large panoramic windows transform landscapes into living art. This main gallery area is designed for moments, welcoming guests, relaxing after travel, or simply enjoying the silence of luxury. Now let's enter the private bedroom, a sanctuary built for rest and recovery. A king-size premium bed, engineered for long journeys, ensures deep, uninterrupted sleep. Soundproof insulation, adjustable ambient lighting, and intelligent climate control turn this room into a personal retreat, no matter where the road takes you. Right beside it, the TV lounge delivers a cinematic experience. A large smart display, immersive surround sound, and ergonomically designed seating make this space perfect for unwinding after a long day. Here, entertainment meets elegance. The waiting and hospitality area balances comfort and sophistication, ideal for conversations, coffee breaks, or quiet reflection. Now the kitchen, fully equipped with modern cooking systems, refrigeration, smart storage, and premium finishes. Every cabinet closes softly. Every surface feels intentional. Luxury living doesn't pause just because you're moving. Need calm? The relaxation zone offers a peaceful escape, perfect for reading, meditation, or simply disconnecting. This is where luxury becomes emotional, not just visual. The dining area brings people together, beautifully crafted seating, elegant lighting, and an open layout that turns every meal into an experience. And yes, even the bathroom matches high-end hotel standards, spacious shower, modern fixtures, smart water systems, and refined finishes, a rare achievement in mobile living. For extended journeys, the luxury laundry area ensures complete independence. Clean, organized, and thoughtfully designed, practical luxury at its finest. The Royale Nova 2026 isn't just transportation, it's freedom, it's innovation. It's a statement about how the future should feel. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the Royale Nova over a luxury mansion? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this impressive, share this video with someone who loves luxury vehicles. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Luxee, because the future of luxury mobility starts right here.